Bending on the corner, whipping up the lot, I got it. Women love me, but the niggas hate it. But how can I lose when I came from the bottom? Lord knows. Nigga, 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 Lord knows.
Lord knows I'm 50 rich. All his sights are like 50 bricks. Rap niggas throwing hits and fits. I get my bitch a statues for a Christmas gift. And my bitch so bad she on my Christmas list. Remember I prayed really, I wish for this. To get the crib with the maid and with the picket fence. I'm with some niggas that mad, we took a risk for this. So talking risky business, flick the wrist. Lord knows that I repent for this. But Lord knows if I get pinned for this, I probably won't get home until I'm 56. They say I'm the Messiah, you rappers is liars. I sign up at churches to rap at the choir. They spit my new verse at your weight while you're lying. In the middle of the church up your weight, no I'm lying. I just came from jail, ain't do no crying. They put me through hell, sharpen my iron. I did my push-ups and I roll with the line like hold up. From ballin', I'm tired, I'm back in this bitch and I'm back on my shit, man. They tell me be humble and cocky as hell. Shout out my bitches that answer my call when I call the collectors. It got me through hell. Shout out that judge that denied me my bell. It made me smarter and made me go harder. They locked me up and slowed my album up, but I did not give up cause I knew I would prevail. Came in the game, Philly as shit. Look at these rappers, they silly as shit. I don't know why they be guessing these suckers, but fuck them cause I am not feeling they shit. Different between me and most of these rappers, I'm talking about work that I really put in. Talking about pistols I put on my hip. And I'm talking about foreigns I really could whip. That I really done drove. Really was froze in my hood. And these bitches I really did hit. Really was shows. Came up from nothing and that ain't like I ain't made millions so quick. I'm in it back and it feel like a sofa. I done seen bitches I'm fucking on Oprah. In my new mansion I feel like I'm Sosa. A brick on the table ain't sniffing no coke no way.
All I wanted was a new Mercedes. Bending on the corner, whipping up the lot, I got it. Women love me, but the niggas hate it. But how can I lose when I came from the bottom? Lord knows. Nigga, 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 Lord knows.
Niggas can't see me with binoculars on. Back of the Maybach, shot the zone. And all my niggas keep choppers on. Don't reach round me, that's a chopper zone. Every time you be on count, what the top you gone? 250,000 what I dropped it on. See y'all think it's a game till Fox be on. CNN, mama picking out boxes for 'em. On that thing, got my own boxes on. On headphones to get my poppin' on. I got my own Pumas I designed for. Stickin' moving on these niggas, get my boxing on. All I ever hear from niggas what they probably doing. But they be really talking about what I be doing. All black Rockweller that Givenchy on. Drop top Rolls Royce, but the top is on. And the windows down, like see y'all later. Man 10 on that bitch so you can see y'all hating. Champagne cork pop like we all made it. Y'all looking for the sideline, we all hate it. Money don't make you real, give a fuck if it's 80 mil. Pussy. And just cause you got a billion, that billion won't make you thorough. Pussy. Still hating it from my city, I'm thinking it's dead for real. Pussies. Cause all I got says kill. They coming like Navy SEALs. This word to my mama. Ain't this what they've been waiting for? You ready? I used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had to grind like that, to shine like this. In a matter of time I spent on some locked up shit in the back of the.
I'm gonna sleep. Oh, that's my stupid boo. You go, boo. Dude, he really got. He's really getting dumb, bud. Yo, what pack is this? This is nice. Yeah. Why did he die? LeBron James.
User was moved to your channel.
Oh.
User was moved out of your channel. Disconnected.
If you ain't about that murder game, then pussy nigga shut up. If you dip me in your ass, I get your pussy ass stuck up. When you touch that